The versatile white kitchen cabinets. Have you ever thought about painting your kitchen cabinets white? It might sound awkward, but not many people know this, that white kitchen cabinets can actually make the features of a cabinet stand out. They might seem plain, but this is true, that there are no other colored cabinets that can look this much stylish. You have to decide the complementary background when painting the kitchen cabinets white. Something dark contrasted with white cabinets will look amazing. Consider getting dark countertops below the white cabinets. The tiles or floor used in the kitchen can also be dark in color. They will look extremely amazing. If you are remodeling your kitchen and you are in search of ideas, then you might have to search a lot for it. If you are wishing to remodel your kitchen with the painted kitchen cabinets, then it will be a great idea. Check out how the white kitchen cabinets look like. You can easily see that on the internet. If you like the idea, then you can go on applying it on your kitchen. Although it will be different from other ideas of remodeling, but a good thing is that it will be less costly and your kitchen will look versatile too. Before you actually make a decision, evaluate each option really carefully. There are a few drawbacks of having white cabinets. The very first is that they are vulnerable, as you can get stains and scratches on them easily and they will be quite visible on white. If you are getting white cabinets made out of wood, then you will have to give them special attention. They will need a lot of maintenance. You can get thermofoil coating on your white cabinets. This coating helps making the paint as well as cabinets durable. Your cabinets will be stain as well as scratch resistant. This means much of your problem will be solved.